Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all those who are new and welcome back to everyone who's been joining me on this journey. My name is Amaris and my company is Glamorous by Amaris. So I am a makeup artist in the DMV area and a YouTuber, and lately my topics have been about everything. Not just makeup, but talking about everything. So take a look at my channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe, join the Glam and fam. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment because I love talking to you all. So in this video, I wanted to talk about the top 10 things that you can do or try. If you have tried, great. If not, hopefully this gives you some ideas that you could do during this closure. I thought this video would be important because, you know, I know it can probably be really tough for, well, it's tough on all of us, like, let's be real, but then it can be like really tough for those who just don't know what to do with their time, and an idle mind can be quite dangerous, so, or at least defeating. So I wanted to talk about some things that's been helping me. I know I don't really like being still for too long, so some things that's been helping me, and maybe it can be a joy to some of you. So let's hop right on in. Alright, so thing number one that can keep you busy and occupied during this closure: puzzles. Okay, talk about calming, peaceful, relaxing, fun puzzles. And I got these off of Dollar Tree. I actually got 5 puzzles. I have 2 downstairs, one that I completed, one that I'm still working on, and then I have some on deck. Your local Dollar Tree, wherever, because baby, they're upselling puzzles on Amazon and the Disney shop and everywhere else that sells online puzzles. They're upselling like crazy. So go to your local Dollar Tree, get you a couple puzzles. This is definitely something that has really helped calm my mind and my spirit and keep my mind busy in a good way, and it's something that can help you pass the time. So I would definitely encourage puzzles. Thing number 2, cooking. Cooking has been so fun. This is the perfect time to try new recipes. Okay, I've made brownies, Cajun chicken pasta, ultimate nachos with my fiance. You could check that video out. I'll have it in the cards. What else have I made? Goodness. Oh my gosh, crab dips. We've tried everything and it's the perfect time to do so, okay? And get in the kitchen, see what you got in your cabinet. If not, you know, go to your local grocery store. It's the perfect time to make a wonderful meal, and it doesn't even have to be for anybody else. It could be for yourself, okay? You can make a 4-course meal for yourself. Talk about self-love, all right? This is the perfect time to just have fun in the kitchen and cook. Thing number 3, Sims 4. I have become a recent fanatic of Sims 4. So much so, the first day I downloaded it, I probably played for 10 hours straight. No lie. Talk about a time consumer, okay? If you are uneasy and you need to unwind, play The Sims. It is so much fun, and they're doing a sale and they're doing it on purpose. It's $6 to download the basic pack. Then you can add on expansion packs. Like, I added a couple expansion packs and it was $40 for like 3 different packs. So things are 50% off, but if you just want the basic Sims for your computer, $6. So much fun, helps take up time, and it just really keeps you kind of looking forward to something. If you haven't played Sims, or you haven't played in a while, because that was me, I haven't played in a while, I was just like, oh, whatever, download it, we'll see. It's so much fun. I think you should try that one. Thing number 4, continuing with games. So I'm not a big gamer. I actually used to be when I was younger, but not so much now. However, my fiance, he is a gamer. Xbox everything, okay? So sometimes I played certain Xbox games with him, and one game that I found that, you know, I'm pretty good at and I have fun tag teaming playing with my fiance is Assassin's Creed, okay? We have so much fun on that game. I'll play for a while, then I'll pass it to him, he'll pass it back. We help guide each other through. If I'm losing a battle, I'll pass him the controller like, yo, help me out. It's a lot of fun. And for those ladies who may not be gamers, ladies and gents who may not be gamers, it's actually not that hard. It's not like a Call of Duty and all that other stuff where it gets complicated, okay? It's quite fun. You have different missions and I think you might enjoy it. And when I'm feeling like really stressed, I'll get on Assassin's Creed and start kicking some butt, and it's pretty fun. I think you might enjoy it. So that's something, especially if you're a couple, that's something fun that you two can navigate and play together. Oh, and which one do I have? We have the one that's like set in the Roman times or whatnot, the Greek times, whichever one that is, that's the one we have. Odyssey something, I don't know, but there's so many kinds, but whatever the Odyssey Roman era one is, that's the one we have. Item number 5, YouTube, okay? Whether I'm filming or watching, I love binge watching people. There's been some great channels that I have fallen in love with. So yeah, definitely watching YouTube and making YouTube videos. That's something that's so fun. Find other channels, deep dive, binge watch people, support your local YouTubers. It's a lot of fun. Number 6, old movies. Just lounging on your couch or your bed and throw in a movie you haven't watched in a while. Okay, I'm talking like Devil Wears Prada, or I was binge watching the Twilight series the other day. I plan on watching Hunger Games this weekend. Even old Disney movies. Disney Plus has been golden. Watching Oliver and Company, Lion King, so many good old movies that you probably haven't had time to watch in a while, and it's just fun to just really go back to your childhood, you know, see your favorite quotes and songs. And I brought my phone there's a space in my shower where the water doesn't hit it, and I have my phone there and just singing the Oliver and Company. You know that one song they singing on the street? That ooh, 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 the street light. Whatever that song goes, just have a good time doing that. You'll fall in love again with some great classics. I don't know how many more times I can watch Inside Out. I probably want to watch it again today. Like, just watch some good old Disney clean fun movies. I went from movies in general to Disney. Like, Disney Plus has been right about now. Number 7, makeup. This is your chance. Learn how to put on them falsies, that eyeliner, that wing liner. Okay, baby, trying new stuff. Colors. I've been having so much fun with makeup. Literally to just sit in my house, but who cares? It's been just fun to just try a bunch of new things that I probably wouldn't typically do or have time to do. Just playing in makeup, okay? It's just so much fun. That's number 7. Play in your makeup. I've fallen in love with a lot of products again. That's the whole reason I got on YouTube today, because I was playing in makeup a couple hours ago and I said I can't let this go to waste. Might as well share it with my Glam fam. Number 8, online window shopping, okay? This is one of my favorite activities to do, period, but it's just fun to do now. Now, I know a lot of us have to watch our finances and maybe not spend as much right now, and that's perfectly fine. Even though I'm a shopaholic and I'm like legit online shopping, even when I'm not online shopping, I'm online window shopping. I'm building my baskets, my favorites list, my making outfits online, like, oh, should I wear this to this event? Wait till this opens up and then I can rock this outfit. Building my baskets and my profiles at every favorite shop. And that's good to do in general, because when you build your basket, a lot of time if you leave that site, they'll send you a coupon code because they want you to check out. Or you can keep things in your basket until a sale comes, okay, or your wish list. So many places have things on sale because they're not getting money like they used to. So this is the perfect time. If you've been eyeing something, keep it on your wish list in your basket. I bet you it's gonna go on sale. I don't know how many sales of ASOS I have shopped. Express, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing. Everything is going on sale, okay? So keep it in your basket. You never know. Number 9, redo your closet. Talk about time consuming. It's not as fun, but it kind of is, to like rediscover some clothes and arrange it how you want. I redid my closet. I will have that video in the cards. Check it out. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. So it's definitely something that's worth doing during this closure, okay? And it's a great thing to do because what happens when you redo your closet? You end up finding things to donate, and it's a great time to give back to those in need. You'll clean something, you'll feel good, you'll be organized, you'll help somebody else out. It's a win-win situation. Last item, number 10, and there is no shame in my game, and I'm not judging you, baby. Netflix. Binge watch Netflix. It's so fun to just watch all these shows. Some are stupid, like Tiger King. Some are loving, like Love is Blind. Some is just dramatic, like On My Block. And there's just so many shows to watch and movies, and just lay back one day. Give yourself a spa day and have Netflix playing in the background, or just sit on your couch and just binge watch Netflix. There's nothing wrong with it. We haven't had time to do these things before. We have time now, and there is no judgment. It is so fun, okay? So I hope those 10 things gave you some ideas of things to do during the closure. Hopefully you try some, okay? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Even if you're in the house, wash your hands always. Love one another. Be kind to one another. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.